Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Before we jump into this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and the like button. And I would like to also kindly apologize for not uploading yesterday. I was actually kind of busy. I was going to upload a video about the airlines taking the, finally taking the payroll loan. If you want me, I can upload it. But I think it's pretty old news, right? And there's no point in doing it. But you can, just my tip, just take a look at DAL, AAL, and LUV. That's Delta, American, and Southwest. Those are the companies that they're going to be for sure taking the payroll. But let's get into the video. The stock I'm looking at today is Lyft. And the reason is that they actually, here's the article. Lyft launches mail grocery delivery service in several U.S. cities. And this is really good. So what they're doing essentially is they're taking on Uber. Because Lyft is going to be allowed right now. They're going to be doing food delivery, grocery delivery, and medical supplies delivery. And this is really good because they're somehow right now they're diversifying their earnings. The difficult part is mainly to preserve and expand this model, because you have Uber, you have Grubhub, you have DoorDash, you have Postmates. They all do their own thing, and you come in and you're not the major player. You're not Uber, right? You're not Uber, so you're trying to compete with all these people. So that's pretty difficult. The good thing is that about 120,000 drivers have signed up already from across the U.S. So this is really good. Now, something I also forgot to tell you is about there's 12 cities that Lyft is going to start allowing this to happen. It's Atlanta, Texas, Dallas, Houston, Indianapolis, Orlando, Florida, Phoenix, San Diego, San Francisco, San Antonio, and Seattle. I have written down here because holy shit, I can't remember that. So I think this is going to be really interesting, and especially it's going to be really interesting how this plays out. I think this could be pretty good for Lyft, especially right now. That they obviously have a lot of issues with people not using Lyft nor Uber, but the thing is that they're not using their service, which is they have the main earnings they get is from their service when it comes to driving people around. So how the people are going to get paid? So that's a good question. They're going to get paid when they deliver medical, food, groceries, and everything. You're going to get paid when it comes to the same as when it comes to just driving somebody around. You get paid based on your miles. So this is good. Really good. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see how this plays out compared to the Lyft stock. You can see it has been pretty much a bloodbath here. Just, not really, but it's pretty volatile. And, the whole market is volatile. But, and here's what I want to tell you is that it's very interesting how this plays out, right? You have California. California is really making Uber really struggle. Because here you see the mayor of New York, Bill de Blasio, on a briefing, I think on Wednesday, he said that they have hired 11,000 people that get paid $15 an hour, and they receive, reimbursements for their gas and tolls just to deliver things for the government. Wow. And now you have, and here's the thing, and this exposes the whole business model behind Uber, all these gig companies, right? The gig companies. Because you have the workers, they get paid for the work, but they don't have any, they don't receive any health benefits, health coverage, sick pay, unemployment, and minimum pay. So, I get it. If they allow that, the earnings would be cut, they're going to be sliced, right? They're going to be sliced. But here's the thing. If the government start requesting for all of this, I don't think it's going to be good for Uber, Lyft, and the whole gig industry. Now, but this is more in the future. Right now, what we're looking for is Lyft. After hours, it's up a few cents. It's 0.39%. I'm hoping this could really help stem this stock. It might. I'm not sure. I just wanted to bring this up because I know a lot of people are looking for different stocks to diversify. Now, I could, but I'm not sure because I'm saving to buy some different stocks for more long term. And I have a few options contracts expiring. So it's kind of difficult. I think I could look, I could risk a few bucks for different contracts, options contracts for Lyft. I don't know. It depends on how the overall market does. Look, it could do well. In fact, I'm gonna pull up a screenshot on what's the pre-market data for the S&P and Dow for today. Look, the first video for this week I uploaded, I was calling that the markets will be down. I was bearish. From what it seems, it's sort of bearish, but people are, it's a very weird period in time for the stock market. Overall, I'm bearish though. Now we'll see. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and a comment. Just ask any questions you might have. I'm trying to build a strong, I don't care about if I have 10,000 or 100,000 subscribers. I care if I can have 1,000 subscribers and have a strong community of people coming in, watching the videos, asking questions, talking to each other. That's what I want to build. I don't care about having 1 million subscribers. Well, I wouldn't be sad, but I think you guys get the point. So I'm gonna follow up with another video. I wanted to talk about the cruises. I was gonna talk about the airline industry and a few different tips for different other stocks. So see you guys in the next video.